guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we'll be looking at this particular song, Nya Gyidi by Mettle. The song was done in the key of G, but I will be playing the key of F. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive in on today's lesson. Today's lesson will be break down in parts. Okay, I'll be doing the intro, I'll be doing the verse, the chorus, then I will be doing the intro, the trumpeters they did, as well as the punches they were doing. Okay, so without much ado, let's dive in. I will be in the key of F like I said, but the song was done in the key of G. Okay, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Let's check the breakdown. So let's focus on the right hand first. Okay, so I was doing this. Alright, so let's break that part down. Okay, so this was what I was doing. That is, I'm doing this. I'm doing the C, F, A, then D, G, B flat, then F, A, and C. Then I'll do this chord. I'm doing the D, F sharp, the D, the A, and the D. Okay, D, F sharp, A, and D. Then I would only drop the D to the C. Alright. Then I'll do this. I'm doing the D and the B flat. Okay, but I will also do this, the C and the A, then back to the D and the B flat. Okay, so you'll be like this. Alright, then from here I will do this. Alright, so what is that? So that is the D, B flat, E, C, alright, F, D, E, C, D, B flat, then back to C and A. Okay, so alright, then we'll do this note, do T, Mi, So. Okay, alright, then Fa, Mi, Re, D. Okay, then we flip for the Re to the Mi. Alright, then we do the Fa, La. Okay, alright, so from that part, then we do this. So what is that? I'm starting from the So and the Mi, the D and the B flat, the E and the C, D, B flat, C, A, C, A, okay, then D, B flat, C, A, B flat, G, then A and F. Okay, so we'll be like this. Okay, so slowly let's accompany it with the left hand. Okay, so I'm doing this. Alright, so that is Do, Re, Mi. Alright, then I'll hit this chord. Alright, so then the 2. Alright, if you can't stretch, you can play the 2 here. Alright, so we'll be like, alright, then to the Fa, then so. Alright, I hope you got that. Okay, so then to the Fa. So Nyami to me adding in higher. Okay, so we'll be on the 3. Okay, so on the 3 chord, I'm doing the A, I'm doing the E, I'm doing the G. Okay, then the right hand, I'm doing the C, I'm doing the E, I'm doing the G. Okay, and then I'm doing the D chord. That's the second chord. Alright, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the F sharp, I'm doing the A. The same chord on the right. Okay. So the first chord. Okay. So we are using this chord as a passing chord to the 2. Okay. Then we voice the 2 like this. Okay. So what is that? I'm doing the G, I'm doing the D, I'm doing the F. Okay, right hand is doing the B flat, the G, and the B flat. Alright, then I'll do the 5 chord, okay? Alright, the 5 chord, I'm just doing a normal C chord, okay? So that is C, E, G. The same on the right, C, E, G. Alright, then we come to the 1 chord. Okay, the 1 chord I'm doing the C, F, A. The same on the right. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, then you add the passing chord. Alright, so that is Fa. Whichever you want to voice it. Alright, so Nyami to me adini na yo Minye Bibare niwe radin to me yo. Whatever His promise, He will surely do. Minye Bibare niwe radin to me. So Nyami to me adini na yo Minye Bibare niwe radin to me yo. Whatever His promise, He will surely do. Minye Bibare niwe radin to me. Nyami to me adini na yo Minye Bibare niwe radin to me yo. Whatever His promise, He will surely do. Minye Bibare niwe radin to me. Alright, trumpeters, okay, they gave them a chance to play something, okay, and this was what they played, okay. So I'm going to do the breakdown of that as well. So let me set my keyboard to brass, okay. So I'm using brass. The tone that I was using earlier was DLS Legend, okay, DLS Legend on the Yamaha PSR 463, okay. Right now I'm using the brass, okay. Okay, so this was what they were doing in the brass session, okay. They were doing this. Check the breakdown, okay. So basically I'm doing this: do mi sol la do so mi re do, do mi sol la do so mi re do re re, or mi re re, because this chord, okay, is the same as the do, is the same as the mi, depending on how you are voicing it or what you are playing on the left, okay. I could basically play this. It will be termed as the do. I could also play with this. It will be termed as the mi. Okay, I hope you get the concept. Okay, so that's why I'm saying do re re, and some of you might not get it because the melody is on the 3 chord. Okay, so you can term it as the mi. Okay, so it's just a matter of how you understand it. Okay, so let me mention the note that I'm playing with the chord, okay, so that you can get it. Okay, so I'm doing the C, F, and A, okay. Then we play this. So my hand is on the re, so, okay. Then we move upwards, okay, upwards like that. All right. So the re, my hand is on it, constant. Okay. Then it will move like so la ti ti ti. Okay. All right. With the re, okay, or with the jing. So that is the F, A. Then I hit the actual chord, which is the do. Then I'll hit the do back. Okay. Then I'll hit the re. Then I'll hit the mi so. Okay. The so. Okay. There's another concept also. You see that I'm saying the mi so because the note on the top hand is the so, but this is a do chord. Okay. More times, this is what happens. Okay, when you are playing with trumpet and you give them the notes, you know that this is a do chord, but if you tell them the do on theirs, it will be like a so. Okay, it's like the notes conflict with each other but the same thing. Okay, sometimes it changes. Okay, so be mindful when you are talking to them. Okay, just check the upper note, the one you are holding, and tell them. Don't tell them that this is a do chord, otherwise when they play the do, it will not sound. Okay, so let's go on my turn. All right, then they did this punch. Okay, so there you have two options here. Okay, when the trumpeters are, when it gets to this part, okay, this part, okay, that part is for the trumpeters. Okay, but the second one they will do, okay, both the keyboardists and the trumpeters will play it. Okay, so the other part, it goes like this. All right. Okay, the second time, okay, you see that the first one was the one that we played, which I showed you. Okay, the second time, okay, you can decide to play with the trumpeters. Okay, so that one you need to select a flute. Okay, I'm using Yamaha PSR. Okay, so that one, the closest to that part is the flute. Okay, so on the Yamaha EK50, okay, it has a tone called synth lead. Okay, that one sounds a bit like the one that was actually used in the video. Okay, in the song. Okay, but with the Yamaha PSR 463, the closest you can get is the flute. Okay, so you can play. Can you play? Okay, so that part you and the trumpeters will play. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so like this. So what is that? I'm doing mi so la do so la. Okay, mi so la do so, then to la so. Okay, then we play the mi so to. Okay, fa so. Okay, Z so fa. Okay, so one more time. So that is the do and the mi, then the do mi so. Okay, then that is the re chord. Okay, then we play re mi fa mi re do. Okay, okay, then they will go back to are you weary and heavy laid. Okay, you follow the same progression here. Drowning solo, whatever he's coming, he will surely do. Bibiara nyewa na me to me. Okay, then they will go to the Nya Gyidi part. Okay, so the Nya Gyidi straight to the flat 5. Okay, so that part the progression will change. Okay, so it will be like Nya Gyidi. Alright, so what is that? Okay, so the Nya Gyidi part, okay, the progression will change. Okay, so that part too, it goes from the 3, the 6, then the flat 5. Okay, so that is the progression. So let's check. Then the flat 5. Alright, so what is the chord here? I'm doing the G, the D, and the F. Right hand is doing the B, D, and G. Then we do a melody here. Okay, this is the melody. Okay, so the left hand will play the 5 chord, then the right hand will play a walk up. Okay, from the 2 to the 5, then downwards. Okay. Alright. So, but when the singers are coming in, okay, you play the same chord, but the voicing will change. Okay. You know we play this, but when the singers come in, when they sing it one more time, the same chord, but here the voicing will change. Alright, because of the melody. Okay, so that is the G, the D, and the G. Okay, the right hand will play the B, D, G, and B. Alright, then you spell the chords. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so let's go one more time. Alright, the second time. Okay, so subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Okay, I'll see you in another video. Bye.